Hello and welcome to my channel everyone. My name is Vatsal. This course is designed for everyone who wants to become a complete Python developer in a short period of time using an effective way. Python is so popular and you can use for many purposes in the software engineering field. If you want to become a professional data scientist, you should be learning Python. If you want to become a full stack backend developer with Django or Flask, you have to master Python first. Also, if you want to become a machine learning engineer, you should be learning Python and UL. Find so many fields related to the Python programming language. It contains all that you need in a fast way and without wasting your valuable time. In addition to that, I always respond to your question quickly. If you need any question or face any problem during this course, I am always with you with support. Not only watching videos but also practicing, supporting and helping. Python programming language is so popular. Its its syntax is very easy and it's fun. Easy to read, easy to learn. You can use it for everything you need and it can work on any operating system you use. You can use Python on Windows, on Mac, on uh, Linux or any operating system you use. We will start in this course from the very basics advanced concept. So we have a lots of cover in this course. Let's get started.